Hi, I'm Lauren. Welcome back. I've had a fun and creative architectural design idea rolling around in my head for a while, and I'm going to try it for the first time now. I want to tear paper into different sizes and shapes, and then make a floor plan with the shapes. It's easier to show you than explain. I have an envelope and I'm tearing it into pieces. I don't have any idea what kind of floor plan to make. I'll decide as I place the pieces down. I think I can make a 2-bedroom house with these pieces. The design of the spaces looks modern to me, so this house could be on a beach or maybe a cabin. I tape down the pieces and then start drawing the walls, windows, and doors. I'm developing a bathroom in this space. The bedroom can enter the bathroom, and the rest of the house can enter the bathroom from another door. The master bathroom is behind the main bath, and the only access to this bathroom is from the master bedroom. The kitchen is open. A dining table can go between the kitchen and great room to define those spaces, and an eating nook with a banquette can go in the corner. I'll fill in the walls to make the plan easier to read. This is a very open plan. With the right kinds of materials and finishes, this could be pretty zippy. This was just a test of my idea to practice design in a fun way. It's not perfect. The whole thing only took me 24 minutes. But I hope you'll give it a try. I think it's fun. Let me know what you think.